Hi, good evening. My name is Snehashish and I'm the owner of the institute called Ignition, and we are located in Rajasthan. Basically, to start up with, I am from aviation industry. I have worked there for long, so I am with an experience, and now I am here to train the youth and shape up the careers in a professional way, and I want to serve the society as well by training them in a corporate way to give them the different skills personality development, grooming, and corporate etiquettes. Now we have trainers from international as well, like to give them international standard. The training should be of international standard that we provide here. And we have different courses like to groom the students. We have personality development courses, we have spoken English classes. Along with that, we are training the students to make them computer literate as well. So we have certificate courses and diploma courses as well. So come and be a part of us and shape up your career with us. Thank you.